Work smarter, not harder, with the cutting-edge Vermeer Projects Suite. Utility contractors can now plan, map, and manage utility installation projects all in one easy-to-use application. Generate a rod-by-rod HDD plan with warnings if you are intersecting utilities, obstacles, or overbending your product. Store your plans in the cloud, helping eliminate excess paperwork and potential errors. Keep planning simple and accurate when incorporating topography straight from Google Maps and using a GPS to mark utilities along your bore line. Import your final as-drilled data directly from select pairable DCI locators into the application. Enjoy a final report that is easy to read and export, meaning more accurate records for future installs. Visit VermeerStore.com to learn more about Vermeer Projects.